So when physicians speak to a physician advisor, I'd like them to know that we get it, first and foremost, as physicians on the other end of the phone. I'd also reiterate to them that the conversation is confidential and that at the end of the day, we're there for you as the member calling in.
I'm a physician like them. I've been in practice. I know what it feels like to need information, to not feel comfortable with what's happened with a patient. And I know how stressed they feel.
If a physician called in with a medical legal issue to the CMPA, the one thing I'd want them to know is that they're speaking to a physician. They're speaking to a physician who's been there and understands where they are, a physician who's been in this job and trained for this job to answer their questions and feel for them where they are, and that we've been doing this for over 100 years, so we know how to do it well.
There are academics, there are researchers, there are teachers, there are leaders, there are administrators that are part of the physician advisor group.
When a physician calls in with a difficult call, I think it's important to help them realize that they're in a safe space, speaking with a person who's going to listen to them with empathy, who is aware of the difficulty of practicing medicine, the challenges, and to help them realize that conscientiousness is sometimes associated with difficult emotions, and that's part of being a good doctor.
I went into medicine to serve the public and to tell the truth and to do important things and help people in very specific ways. And now that I'm a physician advisor, I don't have patients anymore, but I have physicians who I care for. I very much feel like I'm in the same therapeutic role. I listen to them, I'm not judgmental, I hear their problems, I know what to do about it, and I really leave every day knowing that I've done the same job I set out to do as a first-year medical student.
When a physician tells me that they feel better at the end of our call, then I feel like I've done my job.